Exhausted by business babble? Trying to keep up? Buried by economic overload? Looking for investment or financial help? The news of the markets, business, and finance in plain language. Net Financial News, where everyone can participate in today's financial world. Our expert team brings you Net Financial News, business and financial information for the rest of us.
JDS Uniphase is wiring up a deal worth $41 billion. And come rain or shine, earnings season makes its way on Wall Street today. Then we'll take a real look at how the business of virtual surgery operates. Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. I'm Wendy Ryan. Welcome to Net Financial News, where we bring you a fresh new look to today's business and financial news. Traders will be on the lookout for lots of numbers this week, as there is plenty of economic data to sift through in the next few days. When I think about bankruptcy, is there a better way to work with the company as far as before they go to file for bankruptcy? I mean, tell me your thoughts on it. I mean, if it ruins their reputation, what other options do they have?
Sure. Companies typically wind up in problems that often lead to bankruptcies because of two reasons. One is liquidity, just having not enough cash around to be able to meet the typical weekly and monthly payments that they have to make. The other is because, especially in the case of a public company, they've reported some kind of business reversal, such as having to write off millions of dollars in assets on their balance sheet. And that tends to put them out of compliance with provisions and loan agreements that cause creditors to get nervous and jumpy.
Joining us on the telephone to discuss the future of that sector is Jake Bernstein, President and CEO of MBH Commodity Advisors out of Winnetka, Illinois. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
Jake, tell me your thoughts on commodities. Of course, we have seen them sell off for many years now. It looks like, could they finally be coming back?
I think some of the grain and soy complex markets here at approximately 30-year lows are probably the best bargains that we've seen in a long time.
It's now time to turn to the international markets, as we always do, with our own Wolfgang Valle, Chief Latin American Correspondent. Buenos dias.
Muy buenos dias.
Wolfgang, let's talk about Latin American markets. What's the outlook for the week?
What we have is they'll be watching Wall Street very, very closely to ask or to look for more information about interest rates, what is going to happen, and most likely, as Japan or Asian markets are doing or did today, they'll be waiting for the consumer price information due to come out on Wednesday.
And coming up next on Net Financial News, we'll show you how an old technology used to train pilots is now being used to train medical students. We'll have more after the break. Stay with us.
Over the years, billions of dollars have been spent to computerize the business of stock trading. Despite all that technology, the truth is, computers don't buy and sell stocks. People do. And if given the choice, people will always prefer to deal with other people. That's why there's KeyTradeOnline.com. KeyTradeOnline.com is real people live online and at your service. KeyTradeOnline.com. Real people, real time.
This is an ordinary cell phone. This is Nextel, and it's going to change the way you do business thanks to Direct Connect, its digital two-way radio feature. Frank, you see it?
Not yet.
It ensures instant contact. Bridget.
Got it.
Cost a fraction of cellular.
It just passed.
And it makes other cell phones...
Ready now.
Obsolete.
Direct Connect from Nextel. How business gets done.
As we look deep into the Dow, we will be featuring 2 of the 30 companies that make up the Dow Jones Industrial Average. First, we will take a look at the Boeing Company. Now, it is the largest aerospace company in the world, and its history mirrors the history of aviation. Every day, a plane takes off, and chances are it's probably one that is made by Boeing. Looking at a chart about a 6-month period, it looks like it was down about 15.5. Its high would be $23 a share. It looks like $23 a share. Now it's somewhere in between. It's about $18.50. Tell me your thoughts on the fluctuation. I mean, obviously the market's been volatile, but do you think that your stock in particular has, experienced a little bit more volatility than the average?
Well, first let me say, home builders in general have been beaten up pretty badly over the past 18 months.
And let's take a look now at a few more companies grabbing the attention of analysts and investors in today's Market Minutes. Here now is Evan Michaels.
Good morning, Wendy.
Good morning to you.
That sounds good for Disney. I haven't been to Disney World in a while. Maybe I should go this weekend, huh?
Yeah, there's nothing like seeing Mickey Mouse.
Well, America Online is moving south of the border after a slow start in Brazil. Analysts say investors will watch closely next Tuesday when the company launches in Mexico. Analysts say the company will face tough competition there.
A stock symbol is the group of letters that is used to uniquely identify a company's stock. Some companies are easy to recognize. Dell Computer's symbol is Dell, IBM's is IBM, and eBay's is simply eBay.
Thanks for joining us for this edition of Net Financial News. Of course, join us tomorrow for more of the latest in business and financial news. Have a great day, everyone.
For the latest in business and financial news, check out Net Financial News on the web at www.netvideonetworks.com.
Moving on up to the east side to a deluxe apartment in the sky. Baby, moving on up to the east side. We finally got a piece of the pie. Oh, I wanted a home, a showplace, a Taj Mahal, but finding a solid mortgage was harder than finding Bigfoot. So I went to Priceline.com and got my price on a great mortgage with guaranteed closing costs, no points. Look at me, neighbor, I'm king of the cul-de-sac. We finally got a piece of the pie.
I need a broker who will talk to me. We need to understand where our money's going and why.
I need to know what I'm getting myself into.
I need somebody who works with me, not just for me.
I need to spend more time with my grandson.